I want it. Learn to say you want something in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार हरा धनिया बारीक कटा हुआ 1 टेबल स्पून आप सबको बहुत
Hey everyone, welcome to day 26 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Our vocabulary for today is mujhe, 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 which means to me. Now, this is known as the oblique form of may being I. Mujhe is the oblique form of may. Now, don't worry about the grammar or oblique or all of that. I'm going to show you how this fits together in a sentence, and I'm going to tell you why it sounds funny, why we're going to say to me. But for right now, just think mujhe, to me. Okay? Mujhe, to me. Our second vocabulary word is chahiye. 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 Okay? Chahiye means want, or really what it means is wanted, right? This is an interesting verb form, and it's not going to be used as we normally say in English, I want this or I want that. We're going to use a special construction with this in Hindi, and I'm going to show you how that works in a second. All right, so today we're going to look at our grammar key, and we learned two kind of odd vocabulary words, and I'm going to show you how those fit together. Our grammar key is mujhe pani chahiye. Mujhe pani chahiye. So, mujhe, to me, blank, whatever you want to put in there. In this case, we're using pani, which means water, and chahiye is wanted. Okay? Mujhe pani chahiye. Literally what this means is, to me, water is wanted. It's kind of weird. It's a special construction in Hindi. We're not using like in a verb form because we don't normally say that in Hindi. We say instead, to me, water is wanted. So, but just think about this when you translate it in your head. Just think about this. Okay, yeah, I want water. Mujhe pani chahiye. And one beautiful thing about this construction is you get to say it as a man or a woman. There's no difference. So there's none of that remembering, do I say ta or ti or whatever. It's just mujhe pani chahiye, whether you are a man or whether you are a woman. I want water. Now, if we do this in the negative, if we want to say, I don't want something, I'll show you how you do that next in the second grammar key, which is, mujhe khana nahi chahiye. Mujhe khana nahi chahiye. To me, food is not wanted. Mujhe khana nahi chahiye. To me, food is not wanted, or I don't want food. Okay, and again, you can plug anything you want in that blank. We could, of course, have said, mujhe pani nahi chahiye. I don't want water, or anything else that you want to say. And again, it is the same whether you are a man or whether you are a woman. Mujhe khana nahi chahiye. I do not want food. All right, let's just drill this really quick. It's super easy. Mujhe kuch chahiye. Mujhe kuch chahiye. I want something. Okay, well, remember kuch means something. Mujhe kuch chahiye. I want something. Nahi. Mujhe kuch nahi chahiye. Nahi. Mujhe kuch nahi chahiye. No, I don't want anything. Mujhe roti chahiye. Mujhe roti chahiye. I want bread. नहीं मुझे मिठाई नहीं चाहिए. नहीं मुझे मिठाई नहीं चाहिए. No, I do not want sweets. मुझे आलू चाहिए. मुझे आलू चाहिए. I want potatoes. All right, thanks for joining us for day 26 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Today you've learned how to express some of your wants, and I hope you continue to come back here and continue to learn Hindi with us even after the 30-day Hindi challenge is completed. And you can do that by signing up for some of our other courses at HindiUnlocked.com. You can click on the links that are in the daily emails that I'm sending out for the 30-day Hindi challenge to look at those courses, and also to join our exclusive community of Hindi learners online. And through that community, you'll be able to talk to me, you'll be able to get an assessment of your Hindi level, and I'm going to help build a roadmap for you for your future Hindi learning journey. So please join that Hindi community now if you're interested in it. All right, thanks. We'll see you back here tomorrow.